I used my voice in that, so that should be over 110. 111.4. That was awesome. That was just a very hollow sound. That was interesting. Holy shit. Jesus fuck. These are really fucking good, Jesus. If that was just a little bit longer, it would have been amazing. But that was a great burp. $114.3, baby. Let's go. That was a dump. And that was 113.2. Dude, these are really good. I was suffering on that one. Fuck. 113.8. Jeez. Okay. I didn't have the max setting on, but I saw 113.7 on the reading. So that's really good. Holy shit. I haven't done that in a while. Solid 111.2. Dude, that was amazing. Jesus. These have to be a lot louder than 108.5. Okay, this one's coming up. 113.1. Awesome. $114.3. I had to be getting close to my personal record for sure. Because, golly, these burps. Okay. I'm using the sound meter a lot, but I absolutely had to see if I'm getting close to my record. $112.7. That's like all I got. So if y'all wanted to know what I was doing differently, another new method, but what I'm doing is when I build up my air, I just open my mouth and I just let out a little bit of air and everything releases. And oh my God, as soon as I'm done drinking a soda, I can just release everything. It's amazing. Absolutely everything I have. Is that 112.7? I don't know. That was pretty loud though. Gonna try my nostrils this time. Jesus. Yes. Yes. This is a great moment right here, guys. 114.8. I have broken my personal record. Oh my God. This is an awesome moment. 114.8. No longer 114.7. 114.8 decibels. What a way to cap this off.